Hi there, welcome to Microsoft Excel tutorials. In this video you are going to learn how to create a chart in Excel and populate it with the data, right? So the first thing that you're going to do, you're going to create an Excel document. Open our Excel. Please make sure that you do have Microsoft Office installed for you to have the Excel on your computer. It's a Microsoft program. Right, so I'm going to click there, and then I'll come here, and firstly I have to create the data in a table format, right? So maybe I'll have like student, and then here I'll have marks, and then here I can have like the student names, John, Peter there, there, Solomon there, right? And then here I'll have the marks, and they will say John got like 57, Peter got 80, you got Jennifer here who got 90, you got Solomon who got like 100, and then the last one here I can just say and the last name there we can just add Rabbs there. Then maybe Rabbs got like 45, right? So now we got our data, we got the student names here, we got the marks for the students, right? John got this mark, and Peter got this mark, Jennifer, Solomon, Rabbs got this mark. So now we need to insert our chart. You can insert any kind of a chart, and then we can populate this data on the charts. For this an example, we are going to use a bar chart, right? So to insert the bar chart, you just go to insert tab, you click on the insert tab. Also you got this menu here, and then you got the place where it says charts. So this is where you get the different charts, the bar charts, the pie charts, different charts as you can see here. So this is the one that you're going to use to insert the column charts, like a bar chart, a bar graph, right? Okay, so I'm going to click here. I'll do this, go back, insert chart. Okay, no problem there. Okay, yeah, so because I don't want to insert this automatically, you see, if I selected the data there, if you select that data there, when you come to the chart, it will just insert that for you. You can see that everything's already done for you. You can select different chart for that. That's how you can actually do it. If you select, it will insert like this. You can just do undo there. So I just want to show you how you can actually insert it from scratch. Let's say you didn't select your data like that, or maybe you want to have a control on how you want to insert your you want to choose on how you're going to insert your axis, and you can just create an empty chart. So but if you select it, it will do this for you to insert the y-axis and the x-axis for you, right? So I'm not going to select that. I'll come here, select this paragraph here, the first one, right? So you get an empty window like this for you to create your chart. So this is your chart placeholder. So from here you can just right click, and you can go to select data, right? Select data, and then you need to add your axis here, your series for your axis. So what you need to do, you just have to click here, say add, and then say series name, and then you can start inserting with the marks. That will be the series name. Then you come here on the values. This will be your values, right? This will be the name of the axis. This will be the values on the axis. Then you say okay. Right, and okay, you say okay there. You can see this part here, it actually represents your marks. You can see how these bars are goes. The first one you can see is like between this 40 and 60, of which the value there is 50, and then you can see this one is more than 60, the value there is 80. It's actually 80 straight line here. And then this one here is like 90, is more, is between 100 and 80, the value will be between here, right? So now you can see that your other axis here, the horizontal side of your axis, is just indicating the incremental numbers, of which is 1 to 5. So you need to change this also. So to do that, you need to go there on the select data again, and then you can say add here. You can say add, and then you need to add the series name will be student. You need to add the values here. It will be this, right? So you actually have to go and show the labels. As you can see that now we selected our names, the part is showing like 0, 0, 0, all those things. So you'll have to come this side, right? You can go to edit, and then you need to add the axis level range, right? Because this is just the levels, actually it's not the actual values where you can say you can do some calculations on against the y-axis. So you can just come here and add the labels. This will be your labels, and you click there, and then you say okay. So you can see now your students the values here for your axis, for your x-axis, the horizontal part, the horizontal side is the names now. So because you changed them to the labels, right? So now you say okay. You can see now you got this. This will be the marks this side, and this side will be the names. You can see how much each student got, right? And then you can, from here you can actually add the legend here. There's an option to add the legend. The legend is just to show you which one is the students, which one represent the marks, right? Something like this. But this legend don't be necessary. Actually the legend is good now if you let's say now on the y-axis we had like multiple things that were represented here. It was not maybe not just marks only, or maybe this side maybe we had multiple things represented. Maybe it's just not students only, like we had different bars here, maybe the one that represents marks, the one that represents something else, and then you can use the legend. The legend will be useful for that because it will show you which bar represent what, which bar represent what, you see. So but at this stage the legend is not necessary. Yes, this is how you actually insert your chart. You can actually from here you can change the type of the chart. Change the type here. You can select different chart here, the ones that you want to use. You see, you got this other one here, it looks nice. You can just say okay, and then it will be inserted just like that, simple as that. So that's actually how you insert the chart, and that's how you can change your chart to the different charts. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope to see you on the next video. Make sure you subscribe. Thank you.